just might let you meet gay. Shout out, keep out, that shit crack. 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 She said, Nikki, we can marry at the mall. Saying, we can come for you, bar. Come and meet me in the bathroom style. And show me why you deserve to have it all. That shit crack. That shit crack. Ain't it, Jay? What she order? What she order? Bitch, yo, it's so cold. It's okay. Act like you ever be around motherfuckers like this again. Girl, money, fuck that bitch, you don't want that. She's my friends, but I'm in friends. I'm just saying, Chris Williams ain't do it right if you ask me. Cause I was in out with a Mary Jane. Was Gucci my nigga? Was Louis my killer? Was drugs my dealer? Was that jacket my chiller? Doctors say I'm the illest, cause I'm suffering from realness. Got my niggas in Paris, and they going gorillas.
I don't know what that means. No one knows what it means. It's provocative. People smile, give what people